Hi everyone, happy Diwali to all of you. We all know that the inauguration of Ram is happening today on 22nd of 2024. So, here are some facts about the here's some facts about the Ram idol and its temple. First, the Ram. This is the day it will be. So the picks the all 10 avatars of Vishnu. So Masta, Kurma, Varaha, Narasimha, and Vamana on the left, and Parushuram, Rama, Krishna, Buddha, and Kalki on the right. So, and it's carved to be a 5-year-old boy, 5-year-old Ram holding a golden bow and arrow. So it was carved by. It's written on the bottom who it's carved by. So the sculpture carved it out of a single black stone, and the local art that also is carved from the same stone. Nothing is made from different thing. So it also depicts some of the. It depicts the avatar, some symbols on the top also, and so next these are the avatars it depicts. These are all the avatars which are shown on it. So so he has a golden bow and arrow in his hand. Also, this is the model of the temple. And finally, the most special thing of all, space connection. So every year on Ram Navami, the Surya will bless Lord Ram, and also the sun will shine. Surya will shine directly on the forehead at noon, creating a bright and divine spectacle because of its position and placement. So that's all the facts for now. So hope you enjoyed it. Once again, happy Diwali to all of you. Jai Shri Ram and happy Diwali. So, bye.